Are you worried about your YouTube channel? Can't you increase the growth of the channel? Are there no views? Is the channel frozen? No impression? Are you not getting subscribers? To increase the flow of your channel completely organically, you must do SEO, channel and content. If you want to rank your channel, there's no problem with SEO. You must do SEO. Do SEO with a professional SEO expert and increase the view, subscribe and channel growth. Do SEO once and get good results for a lifetime. If you want to see your channel in front of everyone on the search list, there's no problem with SEO. Call or message an expert to talk to us. Stay with us in front of all of you.